So anyone else have the question? Any question?
So that video signal part, can you explain again?
Video signal part.
Means why SSBSC is not good for transmitting video signals. That part, can you explain?
Already, sir, that is already answered. The reason. I hope the Yash was asked that question. So, are you joined late, Shubham?
No, sir, I didn't understood it actually. There.
Okay, then Pujita, 1 second, just.
Okay, so I'll try. See, for example, if you consider there is no gap between upper sideband and lower sideband, okay, for a message, then while you're transmitting through SSB, what will happen? When you're considering a filter, it would be difficult for you to separate the upper sideband and the lower sideband, means FC to FC plus M and FC minus M should be separated, right? Their appropriate filter. I mean, what he said before, Deepak, that ideal filter should be used. If there is no ideal filter, you can't retrieve back exactly. So, if you consider audio signals, the band gap would be more, the gap between them, or the guard band, you can say. So, in that case, even when you use this SSB, it would be difficult because no information would be lost there, even if there is no ideal filter. But in case of video signals, those signals will be of very slight changes in frequencies for videos, right? So in that case, if there is no ideal filter, it is difficult to retrieve back. So in that case, you will be using envelope detector, and most envelope detector comparative to cost basis, envelope detector costs less comparative to this synchronous, because here you will be maintaining both phase and all, and even this filter constraint will also be there. So that is why you'll prefer audio when you are using SSB, and for video purpose you can use VSB. That VSB concept is same, right? When there is no ideal filter, some part of the LSB will be also transmitted. So that case video will work. Here video doesn't work for that reason. Did you get it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Sir,
Yes, Kashyap.
hello. Sir, may I ask a question?
Sure.
Sir, in the experiment, what sir did, sir, there the connections what he had made. So in that lab kit, that telecom kit, the phase shift which was obtained. So was there Hilbert transformer used? Means within that box, within the telecom trainer, is that Hilbert transformer used, or means how did 90-degree phase shift was achieved?
Nayak ji. Hello. Nayak ji, are you there? Okay. Kashyap, basically there is a, actually since it is a trainer kit, so whatever the output function is given, that is visible. So the company, manufacturer company, so they may use the Hilbert transfer inside this or something else over there. So the thing is that when they are saying the module is there, so that means it's not like that all time we need to do this Hilbert transform of, like this to get 90-degree phase shift. There are different method also is there. So they may use the different method also. So internal what they make in this kit, it's very difficult for us to understand that because it is not mentioned over there. Only the thing is mentioned that the phase shift of 90 degree phase shifter. Are you getting that point? Like the adder, there are
Yes.
different type of modules over there. If you look at the kit from the top, you will know that there is a adder, there is a multiplier, there is a other modules also is there. Low pass filter. So now the what is the internal circuit diagram? So it is totally internal policy of the manufacturer company. So sometimes they are not on to make it public because they are due to their business policy. Okay, so it's very difficult for us to say which transform is used on in this kit, but you can consider when you are doing the lab experiment. So that means what we required a phase shift of 90 degree, is it? So now if we
Yes.
get a phase shift of 90 degree, that is our objective, to get the uh, phase shift of 90 degree. It's not like that what is going inside the circuit. Then in that case, if we want to do the experiment by using the transistor resistance, in that case we can design our own filter, we can design our own phase shifter. So in that case you can say we are implementing this phase shifter module. Okay, so
Yes, sir. Yes.
now is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now anyone else? That's why you will see in this video when we shown that the phase shift is your 90 degree. That time it is not exactly 90 degree. Maybe a little bit error is there. Always any design means when you're designing any circuit, there will be a little bit of error is there. So that means it may be that if we are achieving 89.933 degree, so it is considerable. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Now
sir.
anyone else have that question? Any?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Devi Datta.
actually one of my friends has not been added in this group. He just called up me and said,
Who is that?
"Sir, Shivam Tripathi, sir, 117EE0414."
But you see that I'm not getting this. I yesterday night also I got some message at chat box that you are not able to join this group. How the means I am sending the group to all of you. Those are in this. I send through your Netris email. I also send the link in your means previous group. There also I put the link. Other are able to join in this group and he is not able to join that group. Is there any other issue?
Sir, I don't know.
Because
He
you
just
see,
called me up and said to inform me, sir, he is not able to join this group actually.
so the thing is that when the meeting started, it's very difficult for me to add any means person over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Let me check that I can I add. What is your roll number?
So
One
117
seven
double
double E
0414.
0414. Achha, Shivam Tripathi.
Yes.
So I'm not going to understand that when that because you see that definitely when he did not add this group, that means he has not submitted the assignment, and I am not giving any extra time for the assignment. Already I have given 3 more days, and I also intimate about this. Okay, your deadline is coming. You should do that. Yesterday night I got some message that okay sir, I am unable to join. How I will upload this thing. I am informing you in the since last class, na. From the Monday, I am informing you, and you have 3-4 days sufficient day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and through today is the Thursday, and it's your say 1:15. So it takes only few minutes to add a group, join a group, na.
Yes, sir. Sir, he's actually in that Viva group, so that subgroup.
No,
He's in that group.
no. He is in the. You see that all of you actually the thing is the subgroup is there, so that is created by them. But when I adding means sending a mail through the Netris, that means he is receiving the mail. I don't know he is checking the mail or not. If anyone check the mail, definitely he will get the mail. Okay. Now if just click on that link, that page will appear to join, send a request for joining this group, like the others are doing. You are getting my point, I hope. Anyway, I add him. So he is added now. So now anyone else have that question? And one thing is that the next means assignment last date is coming approaching for the next second assignment regarding the DSBSC. So I will not extend that submission date for this assignment too. Is that clear? Those will means upload their assignment on time, on or before time, they will be considered only, remaining will be considered as a zero. Okay, so now anyone have any question regarding that?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
In a demodulated signal, when in the demodulated signal in DSO, we were able to vary the envelope size. And does SSB contain any modulation index? Like how were we able to vary the envelope?
So, okay, anyone? Anyone? Shan, from your side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that her question is that is there any modulation index for the SSB?
Okay. No, there won't be any modulation index for SSBSC. Hello?
So,
Hello, there won't be any modulation index for SSBSC.
basically, what is the
Because
reason for that?
because because modulation index equals to AM by AC, and here we are suppressing the carrier itself. So there is no.
Okay. So now is it clear? Means doubt is clear? Bharti, I hope you asked that question.
Yes, sir. So why the shape is varying?
I think because we are changing the gain, na? If you watch the video, you will see the star is changing the gain. That's why the amplitude is varying.
Okay, varying the gain will vary the shape of
Gain, yeah.
envelope.
Yes, yes.
Okay, anyone have any question?
Sir, the follow-up to that question, if there is no modulation index, how are we calculating the efficiency for SSB signals?
The efficiency is it depends. See, efficiency of SSB is 100% always, because the total power means the definition of efficiency is the power of the sideband or by total power. So here we are not sending the carrier. So the total power is also the power of the sidebands. So the efficiency is always 100%. I mean the power efficiency.
Hello? Ganesh, yes, speak.
Send.
Whenever you compare between the DSB-FC and DSB-SC, you will talk about the efficiency thing. But when you come to suppressed carrier of single band and double band, there will be the quality. The quality is the parameter here will compare. Have you understood?
So quality means, can you please explain?
The quality means the amount of information loss. If it is minimum, then it is quality.
Basically, that when we talk about, you see that bandwidth is very crucial resources. So we cannot waste our resources, because that when we talk about any spectrum, there is a limited spectrum we have for communication. Okay, so it's not like that the spectrum is sufficient spectrum we have. So basically, when there is a this limited spectrum is there, so we have to utilize the spectrum. So now if we see that when we transmit a signal using the DSB-SC or normal amplitude modulation, that spectrum is required which is larger than the spectrum is required for your SSB. So at the normally for DSB-SC signal, the spectrum is required is your 2B. If the B is the your maximum frequency for a signal. Okay, so now when you do the SSB, so the bandwidth requirement for transmitting the same information is B. That means we are utilizing the spectrum efficiently. So that efficiently will come. That means how we can reduce the bandwidth over there. Okay. So basically, the thing we consider for the SSB is that bandwidth. Okay. So anyone else have that question?
So that quality part means in SSB-SC signal, what was that?
That's I told now, that quality in the sense that utilization of the bandwidth, how to reduce the bandwidth. And definitely you see when we are thing is that when we are transmitting any signal, the quality is that the SNR should be the SNR value. Okay, so if we are able to reduce the SNR value, so that is good. Now the thing is that uh, please turn off your mic. Okay, so in case of your say SNR, so definitely if the bandwidth is required, bandwidth is more, the noise generation of the noise will be more over here. Yes or no? The probability of having noise for the DSB-SC signal and the probability having noise in the SSB signal, which one will be more?
DSB.
So that thing that SNR will be reduced, those things. Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, Hello, sir. In the question which was asked few minutes back that why SSB is not used for the video communication, and that time ma'am had said that for that we use VSB, right, sir? Vestigial sideband. Then, sir, this VSB, whether we do it intentionally or is this just a means which a fault that occurs due to the non-idealness of the filter?
No, intentionally we do that, because when you intentionally there is, you see, maybe I don't know that you study or not, the VSB modulation is there already. So if you just go through the VSB, so you will find that normally when we talk about your video transmission, that time we do the your VSB modulation. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
definitely you see, when you are using on modulation techniques, okay, at the receiver you have to use the same kind of demodulation, means reverse of the modulation technique. Yes or no? For
Yes, sir.
detecting the exact signal. So that's why when we are doing, means transmitting the video signal, at the transmitter we are doing the VSB modulation, at the receiver we are doing the VSB DA modulation. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone else?
So I want to ask about the assignment. Like in this group, when I'm trying to upload the assignment, it is showing that the submission date is over because it is still it is.
So
Uh,
it is already 17. I put the date is here 16 midnight. So definitely you can't means upload the assignment right now.
so sir, where should I upload then?
There is no option to upload right now. There is no option.
So
Sir,
actually, in the previous group, I have uploaded, but like in this group, if
Okay.
I have a,
Okay. Just a minute. Let me finish. So,
okay,
are you taking the digital communication theory?
yes, sir.
Okay. Monday I discuss about that, that you have to merge in the two group, means two group are merged in one group. We discuss about this in Monday. Yes, Monday or Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Who is do we discuss about that, or last Friday? Tell me.
Yes, sir. But actually, I joined a bit late, but I have uploaded that the assignment before date, like before,
I understand,
maybe
and
on.
that day also, especially if you see your previous, means ASM group, you will find that I strictly mentioned that at no condition assignment will be accepted after the due submission date. So I ask request all of you to upload, because you see, since you upload your assignment, you have that assignment with you. It is expected. So that it just takes 1 or 2 minutes to upload a assignment over there. How long it will take? Because in your system you have that assignment, you have to click on thing, the in the go to the assignment page, click on the upload the assignment and submit. That thing you need to do. So how long it takes? Everything, if we consider everything, from the starting your internet connectivity to up it, at the end of your submission the assignment, it maximum it will take 10 minutes, not more than that, I hope. Since
sir,
you have already the assignment, so then why you join late? And I also, I think on Wednesday also, I asked yes, that you should put a message on your group that there are many students have not joined over there. You asked me
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes.
After seeing that, I have clicked the link and I have joined. I have sent the request. Just after that, I have not seen the
And,
message in the
one
network.
thing is that
But
from my end, who have sent a request, I think within 30 to 40 minutes I accept those requests, because I was working my system, and whenever any student is sending request for joining that group, immediately I am accepting those things, because I know that the uh, your deadline is approaching for the assignment. So now no one can say that okay, I sent the request in yesterday and accept the request today. It's not like that. So that means you cannot say that you send a request one day before and I am accepting this thing on next day. So in that case, I may consider that okay, it's my fault, since whenever you are just means sending the request within 20 to 30, not even 20 to 30 minutes, within 5 minutes also I am responding. When I am seeing the notification over there, I am going there and I am clicking this. So
Okay, sir. So just please tell me like what should I do right now?
so just you skip this thing right now. So later on I will think if your grade is very poor, in that case I will ask you to submit this assignment. Otherwise in this assignment you will get 0. And next class
Okay, fine,
onwards,
sir.
whatever the deadline is given, you have to submit on that deadline. No extension of the deadline, because I have seen only in this assignment out of 85 students, only 69 students have submitted the assignment. That means there are 16 students who have not submitted.
So can you check the assignment that is uploaded over in the S1 group, people?
Yes, sir.
Like I
I
have
also
uploaded
submitted.
right over there before the deadline. So like from my side, there's not my fault.
I
So
know
I
that.
expect
So
some.
definitely, you see, from your side, if I talk about the previous group, the S1 group, it is not your fault. Okay. So now you see, and that deadline was your say, it was in last Saturday. Okay. So I extend the deadline for 4 or 5 days, and because since we are marching to group, because you see, thing is that whenever I will check the assignment, definitely I have to give some marks over there regarding the assignment. Okay. So in your case, it will not show any assignment over there. So there is no provision to give marks over here.
Sir, what about I have submitted on last Thursday in S1 group, but I couldn't submit on in that S2 group because I joined today there. So I think please consider this time.
The thing is that's why, because have you checked your email or other things regularly, or your WhatsApp group? So your WhatsApp group
No,
also,
sir,
because
I didn't check yesterday.
but we talk
That
about this thing 2 days before.
yes, sir. I agree that was our mistake, but I think so. You should consider this time only because we have submitted before the deadline. I have submitted on last Thursday, so it's my request that you should consider it. That's all.
No, so I can understand that your request. I will think about it, but I am not committed that okay, I will consider or not. As I told you, just wait. Means up to the end of this semester, whenever the grade will affect. If I see okay that your there is a problem in grading due to this assignment, then definitely I will consider. I am not saying that that thing will be not considered immediately, because after that definitely I hope the most of the student is there today, almost currently 91, that means 8. So I am expecting all of you are today is there in the meeting, all BTech student, those are in registered for this course. Maybe one or two is one is absent, as I was informed. Okay. So the thing is that you have to remember one thing whenever the assignment deadline is there, because it is, you see what I told, that this is, I am not giving a very difficult assignment for those, even for your theory class or your lab assignment, all are simple, means easier, means normal assignment I have given. I am not given to design anything. So simple. So easily you can get the MATLAB code for this assignment in internet. You need to do some searching on Google. I also helping you to okay, you searching, by my motivate to that you have to run this code, because whenever you face any problem, that time you will learn how to run a MATLAB, or what is the function of that. As I also asked, means told that I will ask some question on the comment you will write on this for this assignment. So that type of comment means question will be asked. So you will come to know what is the meaning of that comment in the MATLAB. So you have to need to know basically, because whenever after 6 means whenever you will get the degree, after that you will do job. So definitely some coding you will do. Very rare case, the nowadays also in many sector, most of them are doing some coding. And if you go to the some government sector where there is no coding is there, so that is different issue. So how many of you will join in the government sector? If all of you get job in the government sector, that is very good. So it is our wish that all of you should get job in the government sector. Okay. So anyway, the thing is that even you join in the government sector, so it is very means in future if you want to do anything, suppose like if you want interested to do your masters from anywhere, so it will help you, because whenever you will do masters, that time you need to do research over there. So either you do it in the regular mode or part-time mode, whatever. So it will help you. So you should learn some coding thing, na? Okay. Anyway, apart from that, anyone have any question regarding this assignment means lab? So
No,
one thing
sir.
is that, okay, one thing is that most probably this week there will be no quiz, as I told. And second thing is that it's whenever I will take the quiz, in a week there will be 1 or 2 quiz, as I told, because for setting the questions, because there are after 4 or 5 experiment, I will most probably I will take the means your quiz regarding that. Okay, so you can expect the next lab onwards I will take Viva also, as well as there will be a quiz. And the quiz will be, one thing is that you should check your OML regularly, because definitely whatever the communication will be done, I will send through the Netris definitely, and normally I also put those messages over here also MS Team. Okay. So no one have any question regarding this lab? Okay. So all of you are means requested to prepare for the quiz, because the MCQ type of quiz will be there and question will be little tricky. So, and as I told, what is the rules for the quiz? Already I told that there will be maybe there will be a negative marks, there will be no option to go back your previous question, and there are so many things will be there. So it may happen that whatever question you have, that someone else have the different question. So out of 50 maybe, so there is a question bank, say there is a question bank of 50 question, 10 question will be give to you, means randomly it will pick 10 question for you. So don't expect that the question is speak for you will be speak for someone else. So whatever the question will be asked appear in your sheet, you have to answer those questions. So objective type of question, since we are taking the MCQ type of question, then that thing will be there. Okay. So prepare, study when you are getting some times, just study some MCQ type of questions. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. So basically, like I also pointed out this point in the last class, that due to the pandemic situation, we were not taught all the topics. So if you give some like those tricky questions, then we won't be able to answer, and it will finally affect our grades. So it won't be nice, right, sir? After we will be the sufferers. And about the thing that we need to study this, so we are in the final year. We have our placements in this pandemic situation. We have our final year project and a lot other subjects and lot other quizzes as well. We can just do this thing that we can revise whatever we had been taught, but it's not possible to learn communication again, because it will consume a lot of time, sir.
Okay. I am not asking to learn the communication again. So definitely whatever the question will be there, suppose that question you are asking over here, what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage of this kind of modulation, what is the modulation index over there. So definitely that type of question.
No, sir, if you like, sir, if you are planning to sir, it's better if you take only Viva and don't do this quiz, because the rules which you have said will be which will be like a loss for us students only, because we will suppose we will think that we can do this question, but it will be a waste of time and we can go back to that question as well. So either you do some flexibility or sir you cancel the quiz and just take the Viva, sir. It's a one credit lab, sir.
No, I can understand. So the thing is that definitely my motive is not to reduce your grade. Okay. So my motive is that who is grade, because you see, suppose all of you, everything you see, that suppose all of you get the less marks. Okay. So that time I will do the relative marking over there. So don't worry about what will be the grade will be there. Okay. So I need to.
Sir, it's better if you take only the Viva only. So you can cancel this quiz. You take only Viva.
No, quiz will be there because as the I got the some instruction from higher authority. I have to conduct some quizzes. So quizzes will be there, as I told that. So I may do the relative grading. Okay.
The higher authority proposed that you can have some mode of examination like either quiz or lab or some assignment, but here you are doing all three. But in none other things we are doing all three, sir. It's a very burden for us considering it is just a one credit lab, sir. Please you should consider this. And it's communication, and sir, for electrical, communication is neither a core subject, and mostly students are not interested in it. It's a compulsory subject for us. So we can't take extra stress in this pandemic situation. So you need to understand our situation, because we are all unplaced, and in this pandemic situation, the companies which are coming and we are having a high competition as well. So please, you need to consider, sir. So it's a very huge burden for us, sir.
No,
so you need to consider. The method of evaluation is very burden for us. So there are three modes of evaluation. You are taking the assignment, you are taking quiz, you are taking Viva. So it's very burden, sir. You at least remove 1, 2 things, sir.
Okay. Let me talk with the others. So what they are doing, and let me talk with the head ma'am. Okay. So after that,
yes, sir, you can talk, because in all other labs, sir, as I pointed out, in the control system lab, he is first teaching us. And yes, sir, about the MATLAB coding thing which you told, that sir, we have to learn from ourselves. So we are paying in the institute, so we expect that the institute teaches us. Not like that we will be only searching in the net and we will be studying from our own. Then what's the use of studying here, sir? What's the use of paying the semester fees? We expect that college teaches us these things, and when we go to a corporate life, then we will be using those things, rather than learning this everything by ourselves.
No. Thing is that sometimes, suppose as you told that MATLAB coding. Okay. So that means if I give some assignment on the MATLAB, so that means you are feeling that I am giving some extra burden to you people, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then that thing I can cancel that as per the, you see that thing is that since there is what is the thing you do in the lab, that you have to write the record. Since I am not considering that you need not to write the record, okay, so I am giving some assignment. So that thing I can cancel the assignment thing, and next class onwards you have to submit your record. Okay, you have to write whatever the data will be given. Based on that, you have to write the report, lab report. So lab report is compulsory for every lab. So if you,
I think you misunderstood what Rahul said. Sir, Rahul said that we are getting two burdens, that we are giving assignments also, and we are also taking the quiz.
No.
So you can cancel the quiz.
The thing is that I am not asking you to, that day you just ask me that, okay sir, you make a request that, okay sir, please allow us to not to write the report. That time I think, okay, that report thing is not that much of importance if we are doing the online mode. Nowadays Rahul is saying, okay sir, you are supposed to teach the MATLAB because you people are paying the tuition fees over there. So you see, in this lab what is the motive of us? You should learn this techniques. What is the modulation thing is there we are doing. So you are just watching the video from there. So you are teaching means learning the thing how you are doing the experiment over there. So when you have the lab, then you have to write a record for that normal procedure. Okay, so if you think that I am giving extra burden to you people, so as the Rahul point out that we should teach the MATLAB, then we should ask for the assignment. So definitely this is not your MATLAB class. This is your related to your analog communication or communication system lab. You can't expect that in this lab we will teach the MATLAB, and I think whatever the assignment I have given till now, it is not a big assignment. Okay, 10 to 15 line code is required. Only how you are implementing that thing. So if you think that okay, so this is the writing a for loop that we will teach it this in the whenever you are in 4th year, and we will teach that how to write a for loop, which is already taught in your first year in the basic C programming. Okay, so that thing is there. Okay, no problem.
Actually, we don't have any problem with writing MATLAB course or something. So we only told that taking the assignments plus Viva plus quiz, it is very hectic for us. So like, and also you told about the relative grading. It is not relative for every one of us. Some of us are placed, some of us are preparing for other things. So it will be not for same for everyone. Some people might get time to prepare and they might do well. So we are only telling to sir, you take Viva as we used to have in regular semester. Just cancel the quiz.
No. Thing is that since, as I told, there may be a relative grading. Okay, so in the relative grading, so everything is depend on that. You see, do you think in your class all of you have the same quality? Someone is good, someone is bad, means medium, someone is poor, like that everything. So whenever I will do this grading, and definitely this is the situation you need to prepare for your placement. Definitely I want that you should, all of you should get placed. Okay, so that is our means wish that all of you should be placed before you leave that campus. Whenever means if you are placed, and we will be the most happier person in means in this institute. So don't think that we don't want that you should not placed. Don't think like that. So always we wish that all of you should placed in somewhere. Okay. Along with that, so whenever we are giving some tag means courses, because suppose when this lab is in your syllabus, that means you have to some authority means higher authority have think about okay, if this is required. As also Rahul mentioned that it is not your electrical subject, so you are not preparing for that.
Sir, and I am the placement coordinator. So to be honest, that none of the communication companies are making electrical eligible also. Like recently, OnePlus also came. They wanted for communication specialization, but they didn't allow electrical students. So like we are studying, but still we are not being eligible for in the company. So why should we give extra effort to those subjects? So do you understand?
Okay. So
that's the thing, sir. Because communication is a specialization in like for MTech students or dual, it's a specialization, but for the BTech students, it's not right, sir. So like it's that's why, sir, you can just review means you can not just take the quiz, you can just take the Viva as you were taking. You can take the Viva and the TS can also take the Viva 2 times, and then you can give the assignment, but please cancel the quiz, sir. So it's a humble request from every one of us.
The thing is that okay, that I am cancelling the quiz. Sorry, not quiz. I am cancelling the assignment thing. So you just write the you see that finally suppose in the final exam is when you suppose you are in campus and you need to appear in this for your lab exam. So you need to perform those things. Any experiment you need to perform, yes or no? So suppose all of you in campus means don't think about there is a pandemic situation. So now suppose if you are in campus and we are conducting the lab. So in that time, you need to appear in this exam. You have to perform whatever the circuit diagram is there. And I also told that question, there may be a trick, but definitely I will not set the question such that you cannot answer. Okay. So that is the, and let's talk with the others what they are doing. So I will go on that way. Definitely I do not want to give any extra burden to you people. Okay.
So we only just want that three things are hectic. Just cancel the quiz or something. So you do one thing. Talk with the other professors who are taking our labs. They in the way they are conducting, you can do that. So it will be helpful for
You
us,
see,
please.
okay, forget about this other faculties taking his lab or not. So I will talk with the senior faculties over here. Whatever the suggestion I will get, I will do that thing. Okay. So let me discuss with them. Whatever the suggestion I will get from them, so I will convey the message to you people, and I will do like that. Okay. So anyway, leave that thing. And now, anyone have any question regarding this lab? I will think about this. So now, if you think you are not on to submit the assignment regarding on the MATLAB assignment, no problem. I can cancel that on, and you in that instant of this you have to submit the report. Okay. So now tell me which one you want to do.
Sir, MATLAB is better, sir. That writing report and all the sections.
No, but in that case, I will not talk. Means I will not teach you the MATLAB how to write a code over there. Rahul.
Oh. We will Google it, sir.
No. But,
yes, sir. Basically, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I was telling that
okay,
three tasks is a burden.
Okay.
Sir, like if you are doing means telling us to do the assignment, it's okay, sir. But that's what you are asking that we can do the assignment by learning MATLAB and do the assignment, and we can go for the Viva. But you can cancel the quiz because 3 modes of evaluation is being hectic. That's what we are saying, sir.
But do you know that how many modes of conducting means for any type of exam is going on over here? They are asking to do conduct many type of examination for any subject, even here for theory. For the theory, I have just take only one quiz, but it is there saying that I have to conduct different type of activities for that, because no one knows that you will be appear for the end semester exam in campus or not. So if you are not appear for the end semester exam, how to distinguish between the very good student, then below means average student, and those things, how to distinguish?
So the suggestions for the quizzes that came from the higher authorities, you are telling it was only for theory subjects. In the labs we have continuous evaluation in form of vivas. We don't have end semester or mid semester, so to compensate for that, they are telling to take quizzes for theory subjects.
Okay, that thing, okay, that's I am saying. So let me talk with the senior person. Okay, so after discussion with them, I will let you know, because tomorrow we have class in the morning. Maybe if we are not able to discuss about this tomorrow class, then I will discuss about this in the next Tuesday. Tuesday there will be class. So I will discuss on Tuesday regarding that which mode and in that case, if they suggest okay you need not to do this thing, then I will not do. Okay. Because whatever the thing I am doing, I get some suggestion from the senior faculty that we should conduct the lab like this in online mode. That's why I am doing. Okay. So let me discuss with these others also. Okay. Anyway, so now come back to the lab. So you people don't have any question regarding the SSB. Anyone have any question? Then we will end up this meeting. And I think today you means that for the teaching assistant and this Sharon, you people need not to conduct that your Viva today or for this. Okay, because as I planned that I will take those Viva and this thing you can avoid those things. Okay.
Okay, fine, sir.
Okay. So
Okay,
now
sir.
anyone have any question? No. Okay, then I am ending the meeting. Is Bhaiba over here? So all of you can leave this group. This meeting, not group. Sorry, this meeting. You can leave the meeting. सुना